What's up, everybody? This is the 2025 Toyota Crown Signia, and so this is a new mid-size SUV from Toyota here that's all hybrid, standard all-wheel drive, and it's about 7 inches longer than the Toyota Venza, which, by the way, is going away after the 2024 model year, and this will kind of be the replacement for that. So, it's giving you that mid-size, truly large two-row SUV for those who wanted something a little bit bigger than what the RAV4 and others offer, and so it's really cool that we now have a larger mid-size SUV here from Toyota finally. So, I mean, as you can see, it's really sleek with the styling. I love this full-width taillight in the back here, and you have the piano black around the wheel arches there. Gives it a very classy look. 21-inch wheels, by the way, on this as well. And again, same kind of hammerhead kind of design here in the front like we've seen on some other Toyotas in the past year or so. And I think it's really nicely integrated, especially here in Storm Cloud Gray. And on the inside here we have brown saddle leather with some bronze piping. And I'll hop in the interior in a minute here, but first, let's check out the powertrain. So, as of right now, we know it's 243 horsepower combined with the hybrid setup. It's a 2.5 liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine, and it's the newest generation of that hybrid system. It does 36 mpg combined. And it's actually rated to 2,700 pounds as well. So, you have some extra capability that the Venza was never able to tow, and so this has that as well. And there's no performance specs or anything given yet, but, should be pretty good amount of performance, just like we see on the Crown Sedan, which does get some nice new interior materials for 2024 as well, but great comparison of the two here. They said that the step-in height and the roof height and stuff are actually pretty similar because the Crown, of course, being lifted up so high, they're very, very similar, but just, the sleek roofline here of the Signia version is really, really, really nice. I love the C-pillar treatment here as well. And again, that Storm Cloud Gray color, it looks really, really nice. But let's hop inside and check out this interior. So, again, lots of soft touch materials everywhere. Very premium, again, being part of the Crown lineup here, a little bit elevated beyond what we see on some of the other Toyota SUVs. And just love the designs here on the seats, the quilting, nice soft seats as well, and it has all the usual power adjustments there. And you see the tech that we really have seen already in the regular Crown Sedan. We see it here in this as well. So they all come really well equipped here. So you get 12.3-inch digital gauges as standard in all of the Crowns. You get the 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. That is standard because these only come in XLE and Limited trims, just like you see on the regular Crown once again. So they all come really well equipped. They're already starting from a very high feature content kind of level, and you have a heated steering wheel as standard, for example. The one big thing here for the Limited is you do get heated and ventilated seats, and so it's great that you have that extra comfort here in these, and also have a digital camera rear view mirror, and you also get a panoramic roof here on this one. There is also a tech package which gives you like a digital key that can further be added onto the Limited here, but I mean, all of these Crown Signias are going to come very well equipped. There's not going to be a bad, uncomfortable version. They're all going to be very nice and plush. I mean, you have some really nice padding down by your knees here. It's a little dark, I apologize, but you can see it going up here. I mean, everything is really nicely covered, and the bronze accents, everything just is very, very premium. And sitting in this as well, the glass isn't large. It's a very sporty kind of look, honestly. I mean, you still have great visibility, with the mirrors off on the doors, nice thin A-pillar and all that, but, pretty small windows, and of course it's still very airy with the panoramic roof and all that, but just a very cool look in here. I love the dashboard design too, so much dimension to it, and just a very, very interesting thing to look at, and just a little more exciting than the average dashboard, I think. And you have lots of places to put things. There's a nice vertical wireless phone charger here. You got 2 cup holders, another little bonus space, and center armrest here with a couple different levels. Nice and deep and large in there, and nice pockets in the doors as well. But let's hop into the back seat and see that, because that's going to be the big thing being a mid-sized SUV. You're going to have a nice spacious back seat here. So look at that. That seat, by the way, is up where I would normally have it. I'm 5'9". Let's hop in here and see how much space we have. Look at that. That is a lot of space. Very, very roomy. And so, again, if you're looking for something larger than what Toyota currently offers with their SUVs without going up to the big 3-row stuff, I mean, this is really going to be the way to go. I mean, look, it's just so So much space, good amount of space even under the seat there for my feet, and even headroom there is really good too. But they have their own air vents as well, power outlets, full down center armrest with more cup holders here. Another great view out of that big panoramic roof. But I mean, yeah, it's really nice to have so much space here. Here on the Limited, you also have heated rear seats, which is great. There's a JBL stereo. Then you also have lots and lots of space in the back here. So the one figure that we do have is that it's 6.5 feet of cargo length whenever you drop these rear seats, which are nice and easy. Just a little lever here, and they drop right down, and then there's a little extension panel there. You flip that up, and then it will go all the way to the seat backs there for the front seats, and that's how you get this 6.5 foot length there. But I mean, even without extending that, I mean, it's again a little dark, I apologize, but it's a lot of space. Again, much better than what you're gonna get on a RAV4 or something like that, and so very, very nice there. Beneath the floor here looks like not too much stuff, just a little tiny cubby here and a few other little things, but just a really good amount of space. It's also, of course, a kick to close, and a power tailgate here. Yeah, let's take another little closer look at the back end here. You see they have their new Beyond Zero badge here and the hybrid badge that they have, really cool. These are all hybrid, by the way, as well, so they're all going to get great fuel economy and all have that instant electric punch as well, which will be really, really nice. But I love the way they kind of segmented those lights there. It's very, very classy, and definitely kind of, I think, lifts this even beyond what the Venza was from a styling standpoint, as far as a classy mid-sized SUV from Toyota here. And it looks really long too. It's just really sleek. It almost has like a shooting brake kind of silhouette to it, in my opinion. You also have acoustic side glass here on the front passenger windows, and so that'll help to give you some extra insulation on the inside there. They really focused on the NVH of this vehicle, they say, so that it's really going to be a luxurious, refined experience there on the inside, and again, give you that extra refinement that you'll be expecting from, again, the elevated Crown name that we have here, and the more upmarket branding for this compared to the other Toyota SUVs in the lineup. As of right now, this is coming summer of 2024. We don't have any pricing, of course, because it's still a little ways off here. And otherwise, it will replace the Venza in the lineup, which I think is going to be a huge upgrade in many ways. The Venza was great, but I think this is certainly going to be what I think a lot of people were wanting from Toyota. Again, a larger mid-sized SUV that's a good step up from the RAV4. So yeah, it's also going to have Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard. That gives you all the stuff, including adaptive cruise control. All that'll be standard. So these are all going to come really, really well equipped. And so, yeah, I'm very curious to drive these hopefully next year. But in the meantime, let me know your thoughts on the Crown Signia in the comments below. Huge thanks to Toyota for the opportunity, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe to keep these videos coming as well. And take care.